sauraro ga mu a kasuwar Dan Magaji, kamar yadda muka ambata muku cewa a kungiyar Amalgamated Union suna yajin aiki na hana kai wato kayan tasarrafi ko abinci ko dabbobi zuwa kudancin kasar Najeriya har sai gwamnatin wato ainihin kudanci na jihohi da na tarayya sun maye gurbin asarar da aka yi wa 'yan kasuwanni wayanda aka kona musu dukiyoyi a kudancin kasa, dabbobi, motoci da wasu abu makamata haka. To kamar yadda kuke gani ga mukan titi ga kuma yan kungiyar nan na Amalgamated Union sun fito domin wato tara motoci. Zuwa yanzu sun kama kimanin motoci guda 500 wanda suna tsaye a wannan wuri na samun tabbacin gwamnati ta biya musu bukatunsu da kuma abin da suke bukata kamar yadda kuke gani. Ku biyo mu domin gani
asarar dukiyoyinmu da ake akwai abin yayi yawa wanda muke da bukata da kuma cikin lamarin a zauna tattauna a samu matsaya wannan abin da yake faruwa cin zarafin yan arewa da ake abubuwa muna da bukata da jinin da ya dakatar da shi.
Masu kallon mu da kuma sauraro, Alhaji Adamu Ibrahim Cigari Alolo kenan a shugaban kungiyar Amalgamated Union a shiyar jihar Kaduna. Kuma kamar yadda muka faɗa muku cewa wannan shi ainihin yajin aiki sakamako ne na wato ainihin daukar mataki na asarar dukiyoyi da aka yi wa wato 'yan arewacin ƙasa a kudancin ƙasa wanda ba su ji ba su gani ba. Tare da fatan masu sauraro za ku biyo mu dangane yadda rahoton zai ci gaba da kammala. Ya hayar Jungol, DITV Alheri Radio Zaria.
Nan fara su ne da ma wanda suke abin da muna tare da su ma da sun ce a kira ce amma wani mota ta mota ta
gani nan ce amma ni ne ce muka nama magana da dare
a ga wannan ba ba ka shi ku magana da shi
a zo a duba masu tabbata miki da
assalamu alaikum
da gindin mota
ka je wajen motar ka
ka je gindin motar ka okay ga motar ita ne
to ka tsaya a wurin hello
za mu zo mu duba mota ba na in ba na nesa za mu sani ba wai a wurin ba da sai abu wasu masu kuma ne za su ce shi ne muke sani.
The Amalgamated Union of Foodstuff and Cattle Dealers in Nigeria, under the umbrella of the Ministry of Labour and Employment and affiliates of the Nigerian Labour Congress, on the 21st February 2021, showed displeasure over the insistent attack on their members, especially during the EndSARS and SASHA crisis. According to the president of the union, Dr. Mohammed Tahir, during a press briefing held in the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria, stated that despite several complaints and engagement with the presidency, security agencies and other relevant ministries, as well as the 3 weeks ultimatum issued on the 7th of November 2020, no action has been taken by the government, hereby leading to sufferings, intimidation, frustration and destructions.
Complaints and engagement with the presidency, security agencies and other relevant ministries regulating our operation as contained in our 3 weeks ultimatum issued on 7th November 2020. Our members have been continued to suffer intimidation, frustration, humiliation, destruction of their goods and carnage. Gentlemen of the press, you may recall that during the EndSARS protests, our members were being killed and their properties were being destroyed. We have demand for compensation of lives and properties lost by our members. We have also written to various security agencies of Nigeria on the issue of multiple taxation that is hammering the activities of members by mounting illegal roadblocks at unavoidable and strategic locations on the federal highway, and demand for the payment of illegitimate tax that was up to 450,000 naira only before reaching our destination when you are leaving from southeast to south-south. It is sad to inform you that some of the federal highways are not accessible to our members as a result of multiple taxation, armed robbery, attack, and kidnapping of our members until ransom are paid. It is also sad to inform you on the recent violence that erupted in Sasa, Ibadan, Oyo State, where some of our members were being killed and their properties were being destroyed.
Of human lives and goods has continued to be the order of the day, especially during the EndSARS protests and SASHA incidents. The president of the Northern Consensus Movement, Comrade Abdullahi Aliyu and other dignitaries present also showed displeasure towards the insecurity state of the nation. Also mentioned recommendations and steps taken by the union, such as filing complaints to all security agencies such as DSS, police, first-class aliens of governors, as well as foreign countries such as the United Nations, American embassies, and many others to help eradicate the menarche in the country. Furthermore, the group stated that there have been a 21-day ultimatum within which action should be taken, and if otherwise, certain services from the amalgamated union will be withdrawn.
Otherwise, it will create the situation where the country will go into chaos, and that is what we are trying to avoid. The address today jointly, like it's supposed to be a joint press conference, the amalgamated union, as you can see, had the 36 chapters of the leadership in collaboration, like I said, with other organizations that I have just mentioned. So the call, it has been written already to the authorities. In fact, not only that, we've written to the United Nations, we've written to American Embassy, we've written to British Parliament, we've written to the German authorities, complaining of incessant killings that has been going on from the period of #EndSARS to this very last one that has taken place. And we are calling, and all security agencies, like I said, DSS, the police, the National Security Advisor, the Controller General Civil Defense and Civil Defense Corps, and any other security organization that's in Nigeria, we have specifically written and complained of what is going on. In fact, earlier we've given 21 days ultimatum within which something should be done, otherwise we will have to take an action. Like you listened, 7 days has been given, within which if nothing is done, if between today and 7 days nothing is done, then 24 hours.
24 days. On 24.
That is on the 24th. On the 24th. If nothing is done, like you heard, some certain services will be withdrawn. That services, you know, when you hear amalgamated union, go back and ask how many organizations are under amalgamated union. You find that you have about 35 different bodies that come together to form amalgamated union. The Northern Consensus Movement have 32 different bodies that come to form amalgamated union. You have the Tricycle, you have the Arewa Traders Association. The association is breaking down, that have about 15. Put together, we have about 75 different unions, organizations that constitute this body. And if these bodies decide that they are withdrawing their services, you know what that is going to mean. It means, in specific terms, everything that this union produces, it is economically driven association. We produce, we export from one part of Nigeria to the other parts of Nigeria of goods that are consumable. Such consumable goods will be withdrawn from services, and that means economically something is going to happen. But we are giving the federal government of Nigeria this number of days within which to address this problem. If this problem is not addressed between now and the time frame that we have given, then we will have no option left than to withdraw those services. And at least, I repeat, we have made the necessary communications from the President of the Federal Republic to the security echelon, to the governors, to the emirs, to the State House of Assemblies. We have done that, and we have given enough time. And this continuous killing and destructions of property has become a continuous thing, a non-stop thing. A word they say is enough for the wise. It is either the government acts or we act. And by the time we are acting, nobody should blame us.
Zainab Ahmed, Voice TV.